so much fun.
Well, you can't put a price on that, can you, really?
I guess not.
Right, well, I'm with Herb and Rose here, just looking at this beautiful Glockler Spyder. Can you tell me a little bit about the car?
Yes, it's a car that was built by Walter Glockler, who was a Frankfurt Porsche dealer in the 50s. And he made a connection with Porsche, and they built several specials, and they were all Porsche powered. This is the oldest one that remains. Imported here in the 53. It was left in a barn in Colorado for 30 years, an open barn.
Wow.
And the guy bought it from sent it to New Zealand, had it rebodied, and what you see here is it's a really beautiful car.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car. Mm-hmm. So I understand that you did the buying, Rose. Is that correct?
Okay. Exciting time in my life.
Was it really?
No, we saw the car. We had been looking for a Porsche.
Yeah.
Because we're Porsche people.
Yeah.
And we went to the RM auction in Scottsdale in 2008, I guess it was. And we saw this car outside the tent. And we didn't say anything to each other, but we both knew this was
the
special
one.
Kind of car.
Yeah.
Because of the unique body.
Yeah.
I think on it. And after we both looked at it, we said, I think we better bid on this.
So was it like a hard-nosed, this is what I wanted, it's got a lovely looking body, I want it, or was it more emotional? Was it just that you love at first sight kind of thing, was it?
I think emotion played into it too. We knew it was different from most Porsches that we had seen. We had a couple of Porsches already.
Right.
And this looked unique to us.
Right.
And sure enough, we did some bidding.
Yep.
And Herb said, okay, I'll start the bidding. And he got as high as $250,000, and he said, no more, too much money, no more, I'm spending more. And I said, give me the paddle. So I used some stronger words than that.
Yeah, okay.
Because I knew he was just being cheap.
Right.
And I knew he wanted that car desperately.
Yeah,
he just couldn't squeeze the money tight enough.
Someone once said to me that you never pay too much for a motor car, you only pay it too soon.
Isn't that true? Isn't that true?
Right.
So, and I think, how do you feel? How do you feel about the investment now?
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable. We didn't know what we had. We knew it was uniquely
It was special.
in the look.
Yeah.
But we had a German friend who went and researched it in Stuttgart.
Yeah.
Came back and said, hey, this is a very unique car.
Yeah.
Only 6 built, and this is the only one with a rear engine in it.
So it's one of only 6?
Yes.
Right.
And this is the only one that is running.
Is there a value on the vehicle now that you know of?
Yes, we do.
Is it somewhere between and...
It's there and even higher.
Is it really?
Yeah. I mean, we're blown away by it.
Yeah, I bet you
are.
are.
We know it's unique.
Yeah.
Just from the response we get from different people.
That's...
But it's so much fun. It's been...
Well, you can't put a price on that, can you, really?
No.
I guess not.
Now, I understand there's also an Australian connection with Andrew Keeler. Now, Andrew's built a car for you. Andrew happens to be a very good friend of mine in Melbourne.
Yes.
So...
Wonderful guy.
He's sending another 917 to a town right next to ours.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Okay, lovely.
He built that one, and that too has gotten a lot of attention.
I bet.
We've had that for 10 years. And
have you?
Yeah.
Drive it on the street and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
well,
Herb shows it a lot too at different events.
Oh, lovely.
We don't race it, just show it.
It looks just like a real 917.
Yeah, it does.
Exactly.
He's got an attention for detail.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
exactly.
Andrew's a very, very clever man. Yeah. Well, lovely. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us, and we really appreciate it.